How to use Spotify. Hello everyone, in today's how-to video, I'm going to show you that how to use Spotify. So guys, most of you know that it's a music streaming service, it's free. They have application for Android and iOS devices as well as desktop application. You can use it on your Mac and PC as well. There are millions of songs available to stream at any time. With the paid option, you could listen to those songs offline, means you don't need any internet connection. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your Spotify application on your device. If you don't have an account on Spotify, so I already have a video on how to create your account on Spotify, and you can find the link in the description below. So guys, once you open your application, as you can see, there is the home page right now. This is the first interface that you will see. On the first interface, you will see the first thing is that recently played. So here they will show you the music that you recently played. The next thing is to get you started. If you're new on Spotify, they will recommend you some artist or some music that you can play and you can listen to. The next thing is that try something else. Here, as you can see, the top 50 for Thailand. Right now I am in Thailand, so it will be different for you. The music and the artist that choose for you will be different. So if I tap on the top 50, and here, as you can see, I can play any song. So I will just tap on that music file, and as you can see, it is playing right now. So this is how you could play the music from the top 50, and there are many categories, as you can see. So the next thing is that they will recommend you more music language superstar. As you can see, in the language superstar, it's the option that I will discuss it in the next video. Right now I just want to discuss the main feature of this application. There is the throwback option. As you can see, you will find more music here, 90 love songs. So you will find that 70s love songs. So it's like you will find more old songs on this application. Today's biggest hits, you will find it here. Then depending on your mood, you will find the music that you want to listen to, recommended for today. So every day when you come onto the home page, you will find different kind of music. So it's only for one day. The next day the music will change here, and you can find some very good music and play it here. Fresh new music, here you will find the newly released audio files, and the music you will find it here, and you can play that. Suggested artist, you can find them here. The featured, as you can see, that featured chart here, and top songs global, top songs in Thailand, top 50 global, top 50 in Thailand, viral 50 global, viral 50 Thailand. So you will find the viral music and top 50 global, or the country that you're living, you can find it there. Then the workout. So suppose if I tap on any of the artists, you can see here is the artist, and you can play the music, popular releases of the same artist that you can play as well. So this is how you can do. You can, as you can see, you can actually follow the artist as well just by tapping on the follow option, or if you tap on the three dotted menu at the top, you can see you can follow, don't play this, and you can share the artist with your friends as well. So this is how you can do. So guys, as you can see that I recently played some music and it has been shown here. So you could find that music if you play and you forget, so you can find it on the home page in the recently played category. So the next thing is the search. As you can see here, you can search any artist, song, or podcasts as well. So you will find everything here. As you can see, there are many categories. It's very explained, and you can find whatever you want to search here. As you can see, sleep, focus, workout, jazz, and podcast, new releases, charts, concerts, anything you want to search, you can search it here. Suppose I want to search an artist, and I search and I tap on that one. As you can see here, this is all the songs related to this artist, and you can follow that artist, and you can don't play the song or share this artist with your friends as well. So suppose if I tap on the music will get played. So here, as you can see, if you play a music file here, you can actually, there is a heart sign right side. As you can see, if you tap on the heart, that means that it is added to your like videos, and you can play those videos later on, and it will be shown in the playlist called liked videos. So here, as you can see, you can just tap on the next video. So here, as you can see, if I tap on the next option, you will go to the next audio file, and you can go back to the previous file as well by tapping on the previous songs as well. So guys, this is how you can do. If you tap on the three dotted menu here, you will see that add to playlist, add to queue, view album. You can just go and see the album, that from which album it was, and as you can see, this is the album that you can search from here. So if you tap on the three dotted menu here, as you can see, you can use the option shuffle, you can repeat the song, you can go to the queue, you can put this on the queue, and it will be played later on. So this is how you can use all the options. And there is another thing, is there is a sleep timer. So if you tap on the sleep timer, so after 5 minutes the audio will be stopped and you can fall asleep. So this is how you can do. You can play the song anytime, and you can pause the song as well. So this is how it works. If you are searching for a song, suppose I search this one, and you just tap on the song, so the song will be played like this. So you can actually search anything here on the search bar. So if you search on the podcast category here, you will see podcast chart, true crime, comedy, and anything educational. You can find every podcast, the music podcast, games, lifestyle, and health. You can find all the options here. So this is how you can browse all the podcast as well. I will go to the search one more time, and here you can see there are many options that you can use. So the next important thing is your library. Here, as you can see, you can create a playlist, and as I told you, in the playlist, if you like a video, the video will be shown in the liked songs playlist, and then you can play it one more time if you forget that one. So this is how it works. If you want to create a playlist, just tap on create, and you can name it any name you can give it to the playlist, and then you need to tap on create. So as you can see now, the name is already been chosen and it is created. Now you need to add some songs. So there are the suggested they will suggest you some music here. What you need to do is just tap on the plus sign, so that music file will be added to your playlist. So suppose I tap on a few, and as you can see down there, the message appear that it is being added to your playlist. So I will go back to my playlist, and here, as you can see, my music, and when I tap on my music, as you can see, I added 3 files, and there are music files, and they're already added to the playlist. So this is how you can create your playlist. Here on the artist option, you can add an artist by just tapping on the artist, and they will suggest you many artists. You can find the artist in the link, or you can just search it here. So if I search an artist and I want to add, so this is how as you can see, there is a tick mark, and I will just tap on done, and that artist will be added to the artist here. So then I can find the artist quickly. Just go to your library, tap on artist, and you will find the artist that. So guys, this is how you can create your playlist on Spotify. The next thing is, I will go back to the home page, and here, as you can see, there is the setting option. So once I tap on the setting option, as you can see here, you will find your account settings. So if I tap on my profile, from here you can edit your profile. When I tap on edit option, you can actually change your profile picture. You can change your name as well. After changing your profile picture and your name, then you can just tap on save. So from here you can change your profile picture as well. And the next thing is that the 3 dotted menu. So if you want to find your friends, just tap on find friends, and here you can connect with your Facebook, and you will find your friend. If they're using Spotify, your Facebook friend, so you can find them here and you can follow each other. So this is how you can do. So guys, these were some of the important features of the application Spotify. If you think that the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.